see if we see anything that looks interesting and be vocal about it. Nvidia almost touched $100 yesterday. That's pretty crazy. Now you can hear. Okay, cool. Yeah, I saw those with the earnings and stuff. TSM also had earnings this morning. So it looks like they popped up a little bit. So maybe there's a little bit of strength on like Nvidia and AMD, but Nvidia so far has kind of dropped off a little bit here coming into the open. So about 4 minutes, guys. Let's get ready. I have no contracts loaded up, nothing really specific. And like I said, I do have to leave a little bit early today because I got to go give a presentation, so I got to get there a little early. Yeah, we'll see. The group has been less than helpful. Amazon dropping off here into the open. Nvidia, kind of the same thing here. PLTR could be kind of interesting. If we do get some sort of strength. To me, we are kind of at what could be a breakout level up here around $100, but I'd consider trading like this 99 break into 100. So that may be the only trade that we see today. However, we still are about $6 away from that. So got a little bit of movement there that we need. But yeah, not watching anything specific. Just going to be looking around, seeing where everything moves here off the open. We'll go from there. Yeah, I mean, market bounced a little bit. We have kind of come back down. I mean, I'm not exactly sure what you're seeing there, but we'll see what happens, guys. 1 minute. Yeah, Tesla's IV is going to start coming up here just simply because they have earnings on Tuesday next week. So want to be patient with that one. I probably will not trade that until after earnings now. So we'll see. Nice, Taylor Brown. That's cool. But, the thing is, earnings are coming around, guys, so that could create some nice movement in the market. So even though things are stagnant now, typically earnings season is where things start popping off, whether that's to the upside or the downside. We're going to have to see. All right, 7 seconds. And we're off. Nvidia dropping a little bit here to start the day. Meta, same thing. So far, seeing a little bit of weakness, but nothing too major. I bought a little bit more of Nvidia yesterday under 101, so that was pretty nice for the long-term portfolio. Anyone have any fun like Easter plans or anything like that this weekend? Nvidia is still dropping off here. Wow. I don't know that I'm doing a barbecue, but I'll keep that in mind. Nice, Taylor Brown. That sounds really good. Did you know? I hope that's performing well, Kenny Penny. Oh yeah, Wyatt. Let us know what Trump has to say today. Wyatt's the tariff czar, if y'all didn't know that. Oh, that's fun, Fergie. So far, not much buying pressure here, guys. So we are starting to slip a little bit. What's up, D1? Good to see you. Lots of things are still kind of dropping off here. Yeah, we're about to go. We're almost back to break even on the day on futures here. We were up almost 1%. And now we are up down to up about 0.15%. So if this flips red on the day, we may see some more selling come in. Still just above break even on the day here on futures. SPY's up about 1/3% right now. What happened to UNH? I don't know. I haven't looked at UNH in a little while. It looks like they had earnings. I guess it didn't do very well. So interesting. It's a huge drop. Wow. Are you involved in this at all, Davian? Okay, good. Yeah, that's a pretty big drop there. That's a huge gap too. Last time we gapped down though, I remember this news over here. Um, I forgot exactly what it was, but I wanted to play new lows on that through 440, and then it just bounced straight back up. So maybe this ends up getting bought up. I don't know. That's a huge drop. Yeah, it's been running pretty decently. I'm just excited for things to pick back up. Once we can start breaking back over like 300 on Tesla, that's when things are going to get fun. Amazon, this probably needs to be above 200. A lot of things are just kind of chopping down here. It's like a miniature bear market. Let's see. Nvidia still weak. Amazon still weak this morning. Market is still dropping off. We're green on futures. Tech is just kind of mixed here. Amazon's still going. Amazon's had some kind of crazy moves lately. Early in the day. I mean, this thing is just dropping straight off here. Oh, did you now, Breckle? IWM, small caps. How are those doing? So small caps are doing well. At least they're green more than mega futures. ASTS, yeah, I remember hearing about the stock last summer, and yeah, I mean this just kind of went crazy. So I don't know, up in the zone from looks like I got like 23 to 25 here. It's just kind of a resistance area for the upside here. So I think above 25, I think that's where this could really start picking up just from a technical standpoint. But it looks like it's just kind of struggling up here in this supply zone I got going. We have not made any trades yet. Look at BA, okay. BA doesn't look terrible with this gap up here, above like 163. The gap goes all the way to 168.5. But yeah, I'm gonna be pretty patient today, to be honest with you. Let me check out the wall here at 160. Tesla just shot up. Tesla's at its low of the day. Let's see, 160 wall. There's really nothing there. What else you guys got for me? MSTR. If that's going up, maybe Bitcoin's up a little bit. Tesla's still making lows here. MSTR looks like it's maybe ready to go again above 320. What else? What else? DJT is moving. What? A little bit, up 1%, almost 1.5%. Interesting. Like Apple, I think I would check 195. Yeah, Apple to me looks like one of the stronger ones when it's not dropping off too hard. But market's weak, so it's typically I don't love to buy stocks if the market's weak, but if they can complement themselves, then yeah, there might be something there. BIST, is that a ticker? It is. Look at that. Oh, energy. Okay. Energy's going through the roof here. Maybe their earnings will be good on Q1 from cold seasons. Yeah, Gia, honestly, I mean, it's been a struggle to find anything worthwhile off the open. So, honestly, some of the best trades come like an hour after the open. Uh, at least recently. That's what I've been noticing too. So I think you can agree with that, right? Watching puts on Apple, I'm just watching right now. Okay. Oh, you're watching puts. Okay. I want to make sure I get this in before I leave though. So for any free members that are not or have not tried out the free trial yet, that is something that I can't imagine you not wanting to do. There's no oh, there we go. You beat me to it. So either of those links, I'll delete mine. So that link there, yeah, it'll be a 5-day free trial. There is no like credit card. You don't have to put in any sort of payment information at all. So use that to your advantage if you haven't. And also, I'm sure that I can share this. If anyone wants to check out the Traders Paradise thing we got going on in June in-person meetup event, here's a link to that as well. Check that out. You can see some of those pictures there with us and the dinners we had together. Those are my favorite part. We had some fun. Tesla straight back up here, showing some strength, honestly, against everything else. Maybe there's a little opening range break action here on Tesla. Let's see here. High of the day is just under 244. That just IV is just crazy on this. Yeah, there's a ton of work going behind the scenes on that stuff. So I can promise you it's worth your while. Yeah, and what better time to learn about this kind of stuff, honestly, guys. I mean, if I had access to this stuff, who knows where I'd be? Maybe I'd be owning my own hedge fund at this point, but it's great. Market's down, choppy, terrible. When things turn around, get easier to trade, bull markets back in play, implement all the things you learn and pay for the trip. You should, Trev. Do it, man. There's different tiers of tickets too, so make sure to check it all out. Oh, do you really? Oh, that's awesome. I didn't know that, Shrev. That's cool. Yeah, Geo Market is closed tomorrow. Market's still dropping off here. NQ about to go for a low of the day. SPY trying to make its way down there. Beast mode, that's good. Be smart here. This is not really a day to push it. I feel like there's a lot of chop going around here. Nvidia still dropping here. Wow, look at this. Do we see 100 again today? Nice, Chris. Love seeing you guys branching out. Ooh, ginseng's over there, huh? Chatting with the enemy. I don't know. I'm not sure, honestly, if there's unlimited day trades. Robinhood's kind of its own. Yeah, I hate Robinhood. A little bit of a bounce here in the market. Maybe things will retrace. Looks like we may have just had a double bottom there. Yeah, seriously. That's right. You better delete that comment, Farouk. They do not have the best fills. They probably have the worst. Maybe they give you special privileges. I don't know. Oh yeah, more Nvidia puts. Interesting. Well, I mean, if he's in China, who knows what's going to happen? Tesla popping back up here. Wow, look at this move here on Tesla. Jeez. This has some volume too. Quick buy up there. Wow. Market's ripping. This might have a nice little pop here through the high of the day. Jeez. I mean, that thing just ripped. Market's still pushing too. That was quick. Spot push 540. Maybe. Maybe. Gotta get through 530 first. 530 is going to be a battleground for sure. Amazon had a pretty nice pop. Tesla to 50. Man, you hate Elon. Nvidia and Apple, our world would be ending at that point. PLTR doing okay here. It's up near its high of the day. Tesla kind of broke its highs and slowed up a little bit, but some strength there for sure. Nvidia and Amazon did have their bounces, but they're still not past their high of the day. Meta is just doing its thing. Apple not great. Market's still pushing here, doing pretty well. Tesla looks like it wants to keep going. VWAP fake out. I mean, I'll take a look on what Amazon Nvidia. Yeah, kind of. I mean, look, you can see it rejected VWAP pretty nicely there. Same with Nvidia. I mean, that's a great example on why I use VWAP though, you know. Typically I'm not a big fan of a lot of indicators. And I used to not like VWAP. And then once I used it a little bit and learned about it from some other people, you know, I put it on, I kept it on for a little while and I ended up liking it. So I kept it. But I like that it's tied to the two things that I look at most, which is, you know, volume and price. Yeah, something like that. Oh, that bull ticker's coming back down. That's in the 30s now. That was fun for a day. All right, well, I can hang out for about another 15 or so minutes, guys, and then I got to get going, unfortunately. But I don't think we're missing a whole lot. But I got one more week of school left, and then that's it. There's no more Ethan leaving early, and I have a lot more time here, so I'm excited for that. Nice, Chris. Look at that. American Express, Lulu, and TSM. Great job. That would be crazy if that was true. I know. I know. Beast mode, that can't be true, right? And the video would be at 90 already. DJT alerts SEC to. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. Trump media, DJT alerts SEC to potential manipulation of DJT stock. Okay, so I guess Trump's company is alerting the SEC that there could be some manipulation there. Maybe. Yeah, I don't either. I don't either. I would love 90 on Nvidia. I'd buy a ton. Nvidia is still dropping here. Wow. One second. What other questions and stuff you guys got for me? I do have my coaching lesson tonight, just FYI. Anything you stream tonight? I haven't come up with a specific topic for tonight. At this point, since I have like I think 50 plus videos recorded already, I want to make it beneficial for everyone. So I always give my people a chance to bring up a topic if they want it, and then that's when I'll go into it pretty deep. So for any of my coaching people that are here listening, throw something in there for me and I will go over whatever y'all want. I don't want to go over, how to draw support and resistance if you guys are all um, you know, doing good on that. I don't want to waste anyone's time. I want to make it as beneficial as possible. Well, thank you, Mr. Jedi Master. I think I'm gonna start calling you that now. D1, did you get in there? Did you get all set up? I do. That's my specialty. Okay, cool. Sorry, I'll get to that. I've had a hectic morning. I've been making slideshows since. Looks like I did already respond. Um, yeah, yeah, of course, man, of course. D1, I just saw what you said. So OG Nikki, she's out on vacation just for today and tomorrow. But honestly, Pookie, I hate to throw something on you, but I think he could very easily help you if it's some sort of membership problem. D1, if you just explain it to him, but he's always very busy, so but we get it handled for you, I promise. But I know you were saying that you had already paid for it. Yeah, there you go. Sport ticket. Perfect. I was just about to send that to you in DM, but if you click that little link right there from Pookie, you'll be fine. Cool. Well, I'm gonna have to wrap things up here pretty soon. So if there's any tickers you guys want, like I said, throw them at me. So I'm about to have to call it a day. I got a 25-minute presentation I have to do today. But it's like it's one of those things where you spent the whole semester working on it, and it's just like the only thing you do. So once this is over, I'm done. PLTR coming back down. Meta came all the way back down. NVIDIA is at low of the day. Wow, right when that thing just popped up. Through lows. Let's see, Tesla held up a little bit. Amazon's coming back down. NQ is about to break new lows on the day as well. Yeah, that's it. NVIDIA, I mean, if NVIDIA goes under 100, guys, this could, especially with that news. I don't know when their earnings are. Typically, their earnings are a little bit later in the earnings season, but I don't know. I think it's going to be interesting to see what they say about this whole H20 chip over in China. So might be something to watch. That bull ticker though is down 15% today. Meta's right above 500. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up now, guys. I got to get going. But there's been some pretty decent moves later in the morning. So if you want to stick around and watch, I think could be good. Then let me check out the next stream here. Next stream for you guys is going to be the swing trading group session with Mad Maverick. We got an earnings stream later today, and then my group session is going to be at 7 p.m. with my coaching students. So we will see. Yes, Heather Brown, I agree. The video May 21. Wow, so over a month. Great job, Chris. Look at you. And you got a Rags to Riches stream. Nice. You guys got plenty of stuff to get done today. I'm gonna go knock this out and just get this freaking thing over with. And I'll be back at my desk around lunchtime for a little bit. And then I have to go take a quiz at 2. And then after that, I'll be done for the day. So got a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, guys, all right, y'all have a good rest of the day. Let me know if you need me. I can respond here in about 2 hours. Other than that, there's another great little Trader's Paradise link. And y'all have a good rest of the day. So again, markets close tomorrow, so there's no live trading. I may do a stream in the morning, but we'll figure that out. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. I'm out. Bye-bye.